Want to get this show ad-free? Head to dailytechnewsshow.com/subscribe to find out how.
Hey, good drivers. Yeah, we're talking to you, the ones who don't speed, the ones who avoid those fender benders, and who always use their turn signal. Congratulations, you're a better driver, and that means you could get better rates with Root Insurance. It's time to stop paying for other people's bad driving habits. You know, like the ones who cut you off just to slam on their brakes. Or the lead foot speeding to work every day. With Root Insurance, you'll get a quote based primarily on your driving. Just download the Root app, drive around like you normally would for a couple of weeks, and boom, you'll get a quote that actually makes sense. It's that easy. Root, because better drivers deserve better rates. Download the Root app today and see how much you could save. That's Root Insurance. Terms and conditions apply. Subject to underwriting review. See root.com for details.
As a professional web creator, you're skilled at juggling it all. You deserve a platform that elevates your work. Wix Studio is built for designers, developers, and marketers who demand more. With high-end design capabilities, streamlined workflows, and robust business tools, build with AI-powered site mapping, seamless Figma to Wix Studio imports, no-code animations, and built-in responsiveness. Manage from one workspace, collaborate with teams, streamline workflows, and deliver projects without the chaos. Scale without the headaches. Reuse designs across projects, let infrastructure run itself, and handle more clients without burning out. From freelancer to agency, Wix Studio grows with your ambitions. Build, manage, and scale with hyper-efficiency on Wix Studio.
Firestone Complete Auto Care's Great Big Tire Sale is here, and it's time to get in on some serious savings. Get up to $280 off when you buy 4 eligible Bridgestone or Firestone tires. Firestone Complete Auto Care. Book now at firestoneauto.com. Conditions apply. See store for details.
These are the Daily Tech headlines for Friday, July 25th, 2025. I'm Rob Dunwood. Meta Platforms announced it will cease all political, electoral, and social issues advertising on its platforms in the European Union starting in early October, citing legal uncertainties arising from new EU regulations targeting political advertising. This move, which follows a similar decision by Google, highlights a broader pushback by tech giants against EU rules designed to increase their accountability and transparency. The EU's transparency and targeting of political advertising regulation, effective October 10th, aims to combat disinformation and foreign interference in elections across the 27-country bloc. Starlink on Thursday experienced its first widespread network outage of the year, preventing users from connecting to the satellite internet service. Starlink acknowledged the issue on X at 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, stating that they were actively implementing a solution, and by 6:23 p.m., Michael Nichols, Starlink's engineering VP, announced that the network had mostly recovered after approximately 2.5 hours, attributing the outage to a failure of key internal software services that operate the core network. Google is testing Opal, an AI-powered vibe coding tool through Google Labs that allows users to create and remix mini web apps using text prompts. Opal utilizes various Google models to generate applications and provides a visual workflow for editing prompts and adding steps. This initiative, which includes publishing and sharing capabilities, aims to democratize app creation beyond developers and compete with companies like Canva, Figma, and Replit in empowering non-technical individuals to prototype applications without traditional coding. Google is introducing WebGuide, a new Search Labs experiment that uses a custom version of Gemini AI to organize search results, making it easier to find information and discover new web pages. This feature groups web links intelligently, understanding both your query and web content to surface more relevant results, even for open-ended or detailed questions, by concurrently issuing multiple related searches. Initially available to opted-in users from WebTab on Search, Google plans to integrate these AI-organized results into other parts of search, including the All Results tab, as they learn where it can be most beneficial. OpenAI is rumored to release GPT-5 in August, a comprehensive AI designed to handle various tasks unlike its predecessors. This new model aims to integrate OpenAI's O3 model and other technologies, eventually merging their O series and GPT series to create AI systems capable of utilizing all their tools. The release date, however, is subject to change due to potential development issues, server availability, and competitive landscape. U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick announced that TikTok will be inaccessible to its millions of American users unless China agrees to a deal by September 17th that grants U.S. owners majority control of the app. Lutnick stated on CNBC's Squawk on the Street that the decision has been made, emphasizing that Chinese control over an app on 100 million American phones is unacceptable. He reiterated that if China does not approve the deal, TikTok will cease to function in the U.S., though the ban's deadline has already been extended 3 times. Microsoft's controversial recall feature, which automatically screenshots nearly everything on a Copilot Plus PC, is facing significant resistance from app developers due to privacy concerns. Signal initiated this trend by blocking recall, a move since followed by AdGuard and the Brave browser, both citing the unsettling nature of constant background screen captures and the potential exposure of sensitive user data. While Signal's initial block used a broad DRM flag limiting all screenshot tools, Brave has been able to specifically disable recall while still allowing other accessibility tools, advocating for more granular control for all privacy-minded developers. X is piloting a new feature for Community Notes, its crowdsourced fact-checking system, to identify well-liked posts from users with diverse viewpoints. The pilot allows selected contributors to rate posts by answering questions about their preference using a bridged algorithm similar to how Community Notes verifies facts. This algorithm seeks consensus among users with differing opinions. If such users agree on a fact-check's accuracy, the note is published. Although X's system has faced criticism for its speed in addressing misinformation, this concept has already been adopted by Meta as a replacement for traditional fact-checking. And finally, Microsoft has reversed its controversial decision regarding Windows 10's end of life, now offering a free update to postpone the issue for 700 million users and encourage them to migrate to Windows 11, which is promoted as a faster, better, and safer alternative. To facilitate this transition, Microsoft has launched an enrollment wizard accessible through notifications and settings, allowing users to easily select their preferred option and enroll in ESU directly or from their personal Windows 10 PC. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. You can find show notes and links to all the headlines there as well. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.
Walmart Business is in the business of helping your business, regardless of whether you're building bridges, building spreadsheets, or building lesson plans. Ooh, that looks fun. Walmart Business can help save you time, money, and hassle so you can focus on what you're building instead of what your supply closet is missing. In short, we take care of business so you can do more with yours. We're the Walmart you love, now for your business. Learn more at business.walmart.com.
These days, clients want it all. A slick-looking site that can run their business and scale with their success. The good news? That's exactly what Wix Studio is built for. Plan out your client's whole site in seconds with AI-powered site mapping and wireframing. Then, when everyone's on the same page, jump into the creative, starting off in Figma and exporting it in a click, or in the Wix Studio editor with precise layouting tools like Grid, Stack, and Flexbox. Go above and beyond the brief with no-code animations, custom CSS, and built-in business solutions, and make your whole vision responsive in a click. And there's zero need to break a sweat when clients grow fast. A dynamic CMS with global design settings and reusable assets lets you turn one page into hundreds. Design smoother and deliver sooner. Go to wixstudio.com.